Hey everyone, welcome back for another Updates with Mike. The first thing to talk about is Mute Jades. I've been getting a lot of questions about this. They've completed production. They are in transit to us through air shipment, and we hope to have them sometime in December. The next switch we will be working on is cream clickies. Can't really say anything much about them now until we get some samples in, but once we get samples, we'll share some more information. The Black Friday Cyber Monday sale is coming very soon. If you want to see what items will be on sale, head to our website, click the top banner, and it'll show you everything that goes live for Black Friday Cyber Monday. Please note that these prices are only good during the sale. We cannot match anything before or price match anything purchased after the sale. An update for the NK87 aluminum editions. They're in transit to us. Port congestion caused a huge delay. We were supposed to get them in October, but now we are just receiving word that they're actually on a truck on their way to us. We hope to have them by the end of November and then ship them out during December. The NK65 entry edition restock is also in transit to us. It's currently on the ocean, making its way to us. We made a couple changes to the NK65 entry edition. First, we added threaded inserts. Then we put a muffle mat between the plate and PCB. And we've also made the plate an injection molded poly plate to match the colors of the actual case. It's still going to be $95, and we hope to have those sometime in late December. On that same shipment is the NK87 entry editions. They're fully complete, and we've sent out review units that we received early through air shipments. There's no embargo, so just keep an eye out for some reviews to come out on that. The board's going to retail for $135. We will also provide a more in-depth view on the NK87 entry later, and hopefully before the board is actually released. Our in-stock PBT sets also just cleared port. They're on the same shipment as the NK87 aluminum editions. And once those come in, we'll list them for sale. That's going to be sand, stone, and tarot. Sand and stone will cost $85, and tarot will be $95. GMK Olive returns for round 2 in December. It has a pretty nice size base kit, and it's going to be available for pre-order for $99. That runs in December. Later in Q1 of 2022, we are aiming to have some other entry boards like our NK1 and NK20. Keep an eye out for those. I also want to thank everyone who came to the keyboard meetup. I thought it was a great success. We had a really fun time, and we couldn't have done it without all the vendors who volunteered coming and showing off their own products. And we really like the attendees for coming and making it a great show. If you were at the keyboard meetup or you saw the Teha Types keyboard meetup video, you likely saw our game TypeOut. Wendell is still hard at work at the game, and we hope to have an alpha released maybe end of this year, early next year for the game. It's going to be coming out on Steam for early access. That's all the updates I have today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Brody! Did you think we could do a video without Brody in it?